How to use the NIRA Pro laser. Step 1. Clean and dry the skin completely before using NIRA Pro. Step 2. Turn on the device and select your comfort level. Step 3. Begin treatment automatically by placing the laser directly onto the skin. Wait until you hear 2 beeps. The first beep indicates the laser treatment has begun. If you feel warmth, the laser is working. The second beep indicates the laser pulse is complete for that spot. Lift the laser, move to the next spot, and continue this process until all desired treatment areas are targeted. Hydrate the skin after your treatment with NIRA's all-natural hyaluronic acid serum. Do this 3-minute treatment daily for younger-looking skin in 90 days guaranteed. NIRA, laser-focused beauty.